today I am going to show you how to hack a Facebook account with MS Paint. Alright, first you need MS Paint. Oh no, you didn't see that, No, you didn't see that. First we need MS Paint. And what we are going to do is just use the text tool and write hack, I think it was, and then anonymous. Yeah, like that. We do not, what was it again? No, it was we are Legion. Then you go to File, About Paint, and click this. And then MS Paint has turned into a hacking tool that is currently hacking a Facebook account. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell.